Hi, this is Ross with Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We just finished up this 3-car garage with baseboards. So here's what the baseboards look like. Really gives the floor a nice finish. So over here around the fixtures, you're going to see some details, including the baseboard. We really do our best to get these fixtures looking like they're sitting on the floor, as opposed to just being around the fixtures themselves. So you can see the baseboard in the back. Really good details. There was a lot of repairs on this job. We did sand and fill the expansion joints for a seamless surface. So this edge was a little rough shape, so we did do some repairs along the edge here. We squared it up, then rounded it over, so it gives a good transition from the driveway into the garage. This color is Domino, simply just black, white, and gray. It's very bright, reflects a lot of light. It's a good choice for any house, really. Here's what it looks like close up. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.